Hi, it's Michael from Reclaim Design. Today we're going to make a cat hammock. So it's all aboard the change train for us. We have to relocate, but we have no idea where. All part of the exciting journey that is life. We might be heading up to the north of Portugal. We might be going much further afield. It's alright, wherever we end up is going to be perfect for us. We're going to get an amazing workspace, beautifully sized, nice and dry, room for tools, doing great video edits, and allowing us to continue doing what we really like doing, which is tinkering around in here and making stuff. I'm going to turn these bits of scrap wood that we've got into something that approximates that. So I'm going to take this piece of pine offcut and cut it into 5cm strips to kick off with, to use as the basis for our cat hammock. So I'm going to take it over to the table saw now and get busy with that. So we've cut the parts. That's going to be the base. Legs. These are going to be the infill strips, which are kind of like a fake tenon. And we're going to make a extended base out of this to keep the balance. So 15 degrees is a sweet spot for the hammock. Optimum cat hammock angle. We're going to now cut those on the miter saw. So that's the framework for the cat hammock done. Here it is in its glory. We've made it flat packable. Very easy to take apart. These are stabilizers. If you have a very large cat, you can put them on. You don't have to keep them on. 4 screws, easy to take off. Otherwise, you can have a slimline version like that, which looks quite elegant. So the reason we've made it flat packable is firstly for you. Very easy for you to pack it down, be super tidy in your house if that's what you want. And as an added bonus for us, it makes it easier to post because we are going to sell these on our online shop. And if you'd like to see what's on our online shop, I will leave a link in the video and in the description of the video. So we've recycled one of Nikki's woolen scarves to make the hammock, but you can use whatever material you like. Probably corduroy, denim, canvas, something like that would work quite well. And we cut a couple of pieces of dowel rod and used some sash cord to tie it off. Easy as that. So then goes something like this.